Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease characterized by progressive death of brain cells. Two key players in this process are the amyloid beta and tau protein, which are increasingly deposited in the brains of Alzheimer's disease patients. The driving force behind this pathology is unknown, but we do know risk factors for Alzheimer's disease. And the interesting thing about risk factors is that they give away clues about why this process is happening. Brain imaging studies show that the brain cells of people with Alzheimer's disease risk factors use less energy than normal. And also, depriving brain cells of energy in lab studies leads to the characteristic Alzheimer's disease pathology. Interestingly, lab studies also show that if you mix amyloid beta and tau with germs, the germs die. And the other way around, infecting brain cells with germs increases the production of these proteins. But not all people with Alzheimer's disease have an infection, so why does this happen? And what is the connection with the brain cell energy? Well, we know that germs survive by stealing the energy supply of the cells that they infect, leading to a decreased energy availability for the cells. So the brain cells may have evolved to interpret this energy decrease as an infection. That explains why they start producing amyloid beta and tau protein to get rid of the infection. However, in Alzheimer's disease, the decreased energy in the brain cells is not a consequence of infection, but of aging and other risk factors that decrease the energy use of the brain cells. And unfortunately, that is something that evolution probably did not foresee during the development of our brains. If you're interested in a more detailed explanation of this theory, as well as the sources of evidence, take a look at my other video on Alzheimer's disease.